Pero let's say, dumating na sa point na nandun na nga, na gusto na nila mag-settle down doon. Okay, yung community. Paano mo i-reconcile with your finances? May certain level of threshold ka ba ng finances in buying? Or do you advise to take a loan? So, how do you normally advise people na at least nandun na sa desisyon na talagang gusto na bumili ng bahay?
Unang-una, I would advise na at least 30% or 30% of the down payment you have in cash. Kasi that's a good sign na you're good with money management. Kasi kaya mong ipunin yung down payment. Tapos, ang next advice ko is to shop around kung magkano yung magiging monthly amortization mo sa loan. And my advice is to never get more than 15 years. No? May mga home loan kasi na 20, 25 years, 30 years. Sabi ko, naku, ang laki na ng babayaran mo interest niyan. Tapos sobrang tagal mo pang babayaran. No? So, 15 years or less, ideally 10-year loan. If you can afford yung monthly amortization for that based sa cash flow mo, then I would say go ahead. I understand that it's